clear to that light, making sure nobody's coming out of the apartment complex. When the light's green, we're going to make it nice and get off the brake.
I'm not on the brake.
Okay, so easy clutch up. Here we go. And if by some miracle that light turns green before we get to it, we're going to make it turn in this gear without stopping, okay? But if it stays red, we're going to push the clutch down when the front of the truck's up on top of that arrow, and then we're going to get on the brake and stop the truck. Brakes are a little touchy. Don't be surprised if it stops real hard. Right turn signal. Straight out until the front of the truck is all the way past the crosswalk, straight out. We're not going to turn until the entire front of this tractor is past this crosswalk. 2 hands on that wheel. Give me a little gas, young man. Turn it. All the way back to the right lane. Turn it hard, Easy.
Like the one lane over there?
Let's just stay here now. Now, can't see your turn signal. Fifth is right back here like you want to hit me in the knee with it. So, we're going to clutch it and pull it, and clutch it and pull it. Grab a stick. Clutch once, clutch twice. Okay, no, you got to get off the gas. Clutch gets in. Let's go to high range. 6 is all the way over to you and back. It's clutch, clutch, pull it. Got to keep your foot off the gas when you're shifting, young man. Now, 7th is right up here like you want to hit me in the edge of the hand with that stick. Clutch once, clutch twice. Push it. Here it is. Now, give it a little power. 1600 RPM on the tachometer. 8th is straight back, but it's clutch once, clutch twice. Clutch it to neutral, clutch it to gear. Pull it. There you go. A little quicker, some of that crunch will go away. You all right? 9th is right here like you want to hit my hand with it. Watch. It's up, over, and up. Clutch it. Clutch it. Push it over here. There you go. Just drive a little bit. 2 hands.
If you keep that wheel steady though, don't take the wheel and...
It'll run 50 or so in 9th gear. We're just going to ease down this road, okay? You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Just want to get this shit done under control.
Stay in this lane, we don't have to worry about somebody suddenly slowing down to turn. We don't have to worry about somebody coming out on the side street. But we're going to slow down a little. We're going to try to downshift this thing back to 8th gear, okay? I need you to slow down to somewhere just below 40 miles an hour on that speedometer.
Gotcha.
Okay?
Break it.
Just ease up on the throttle. Let's slow
I'm
down.
not on it.
Now, I want you to use the clutch to pull this stick just back into neutral. So clutch it. Now, hold it here, right in the middle. Gas it hard, clutch it, pull straight back. That's downshift to 8.
It's an 8?
It is. Give it a little power. We're all right. Hang on a minute. We're going to see what that light's doing. See those brake lights on that ambulance?
Yeah.
Light is red. We're just going to keep easing along here in 8th gear and see what happens.
If I have to be at a certain
I want
speed,
you to slow down some. We're just going to keep easing up here in case we got to stop, okay? Now, give me a little touch of brake, Hans. Slow us all the way down to 25. We're going to downshift to the 7. Put it right here in the middle of neutral. Clutch it. Now, gas it hard and clutch it. Push straight up on it. There you go. Slow down, score. A little touch of brake. We want to let them get driving away so we can follow them. Slow down.
Yeah, don't get in a hurry.
So we're around 15?
And we're just going to slow down as much as we need to. If we have to stop, we will. Now get your feet off the, just put off the brake.
It's off.
All right. As soon as this brake lights come off, trust me, easy. Tiny little bit of power on us. We're going to follow it nice and smooth, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now bring your power back up about 1600 RPM on the tachometer. And 8 this straight back again, but it's 2 moves. Clutch it, move it, clutch it, move it. Straight back. 1, 2. That's 10. Take it out of here. Take it out of here. Watch. We're going to recover to 8. Hold it right here in the middle. A little touch of gas. Clutch it, pull straight back. There you go. That's not a little touch of gas, but you got the idea. Can we get in this lane?
Can you do me a favor?
What's that? Tachometer's the one on the left, the big dial and a dash.
Did you use your
Speedometer's the
blinker?
one on the right.
Okay,
Now
shut
give
your
me
blinker
turn
off.
signal for me. We're going to go to ninth again. Ninth